G'day guys, and welcome to a coin collector video. Today I just wanted to share with you one of my tips, and that is how to get started. Now some of you might want to start coin collecting, but you don't know how to exactly to get started. The way I started was just going to the bank or just searching through change and just finding special coins with pictures or errors and placing them into my collection. Now you can find these in ordinary change. You can just get bags of coins at the bank. You get $50 worth of 20-cent coins or whatever, and just go through them looking for the ones with the pictures. And then when you get better at it, you can find ones that have little mistakes that could be worth a lot more than face value. I've just got some here. I got these after just going through some bags, and I've got bags of these coins. And one thing you can do with double ups is you can just chuck them on eBay. You know, take you 5 minutes and you go sell them for a few bucks each and post them so somebody else doesn't have to do all the work. You've done the work for them and you get paid. Alright, anyway, that's just my tip if you're beginning to start to collect coins. Alright, see ya for the next video, which I promise will be looking at the 2016 Rio Olympics $2 coins. Thank you, goodbye.